Oh no! Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to King Bespoke Creations. Now then, are you interested in using hand tools for lots of your different woodworking projects? If so, this is absolutely the video for you. This is my top 5 most essential hand tools you're going to need for almost every project. We're going to be scrolling from 5 down to number 1, which might surprise you. So let's kick off with number 5. So at number 5 is the chisel. Now we've got lots of different sizes. They all do the same thing though, don't they? For some reason, I always keep plumping with a 16mm, if that's just because it's in the middle. But we need lots of different sizes for lots of different jobs. So really skinny ones for doing petite little dovetails. This great big monster, someone described it as Thor's chisel. We use that more for paring. I would never strike that with a mallet, it's far too big. But we do need a range of sizes and we use them for almost every single job. Number 4, it's the saw. Now we've got loads of saws, usually just a nice big one like this. Hard point tip, you can buy these for £6, okay? Little saws for doing smaller jobs. We've got coping saws for cutting round corners. A few metal saws for the occasional metal thing, but I don't like doing metal stuff. My favourite saw of all is this. This is made by Crimson Guitars. It's actually for cutting fret slots on guitar necks. But it's a beautiful saw for using for things like dovetails and lots of tidy little jobs like that. Number 3. So next up is the hand plane. The trusty number 4. This comes out for every single job I do, whether that's dimensioning wood at the beginning or giving it a fine smooth coat to finish. It's brilliant. We love them. Once you start using planes, you will absolutely love them. Really, really good. There's lots of different types as well. So, well, like that for a scrub plane for taking off lots of big meat. Small, delicate things for low angles if you've got funny cross grains. Great big meaty ones like that we just love. And I suppose spoke shaves would come into that category as well. We definitely need those hand planes. Number 2, measuring and marking tools. You can never ever have enough measuring tools. And things for marking with. These two particular are absolutely essential. If you're going to get anything done accurately, you need a really good set square. Combination square is even better, where we can slide that in and out and measure at the same time. And a marking knife. Now it doesn't need to be anything flash for a marking knife. If you go over YouTube, there's lots of ways to make a marking knife. And they're very nice and very pretty. But just a Stanley knife will do. Even just a plain old ordinary Stanley knife will do. Super sharp. You can keep these sharpened up as well. So they don't have to be disposable blades, but a marking tool is absolutely essential for all of our woodworking joinery. So what on earth could beat this lot? And before we give you the number 1, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the little notification bell and smash that like button. Right, the big number 1, what is it? So the big reveal, what is number 1? What is the most used tool in all of joinery? I wonder what it could be. It's a workbench. Well, this isn't really a workbench, is it? I'm sure you've looked at lots of video clips and people have these very ornate woodworking benches, which I plan on making one day, but there's always something else to make first. This is literally a kitchen countertop where we've screwed a vise to it. So we do need a vise, we need a big flat surface to work for, and this will come in absolutely everything you do. So yes, I've attached a good Stanley vise to it. I've also put a little peg on here to just knock that in and out. knock it flat out the way, knock it back up again as a little stop for planing things. Very, very useful. But to be honest, you just need a big flat surface. Well, there we go. There's my top 5 essential hand tools. What do you think I've missed off? Is there something you always grab every time you go into your workshop, shed? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Was that number 1 a surprise? I suspect it will be for most of you. Right, so if you like to use these tools, click on this little playlist that's down here for lots of different techniques of using them. Click on this little video up here because I think you're going to love it, and make sure you click the subscribe button there. Okay, sharpen your tools, I'll see you soon, bye bye.